Yeah, then put all...
Come on, we'll just go straight through, middle.
Side going in as well.
You can put this in the base.
We can't get trouble.
Yeah, do this inside.
There's a rat back though.
Got a picture before.
I just put a little bit of...
That don't turn on either.
It does. We can save that for after, that'll fill another one up, won't it?
Oh,
Yeah, there it is. Yeah, fill it up, so I've just dilute.
Well, we're just going to chuck a bit of this on the floor and use that for bit. Sweep in.